Hey guys, come with Mostplus today. We're going to be installing our hard trifold tonneau cover. This is an aluminum panel design. Not only is it lower profile, but it is also lightweight. The bed cover's handles and clamps are pre-installed. Inside our packages are waterproof strips and extra replacement parts. In addition, for mounting blocks facilitate your installation of our products on Tundra's rails. The first step is the bulkhead seal. We're going to install our bulkhead seal along the bulkhead here. We'll just peel off the protective backing, lay it in place, and then cut off the excess. Finalize the installation. Next, put our cover on the waterproof strips and align with it, then untie the bag buckles on both sides. Finally, completely open the tonneau cover and check whether the cover is crooked. Now that everything is fine, we fold the cover back and secure it. Take the front clamps off. Insert the edge of the truck bed into the groove and tighten the nut. Latch the front clamps down. Do the same on the other side. You have to tighten it as tight as possible so it doesn't leak. Okay, open the bed cover and fold down the last panel. Then pull the clamp down, with it in this upright position. If it's too loose, let's do some rotations. Finally, we can just put that right in place. You can see a red button, which is a light switch. That's pretty cool at night. Finally, close the tailgate. It's a nice complete coverage.